Yo, 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 what's up? This is General from Judge Innovation Garage in the Peach capital of the state, baby. I hope everybody's doing great. It was nice and cool this morning, and then that big eye in the sky come out, and I tell you what, it got nasty humid. But I hope everybody's doing great. I appreciate every single one of you. I'm glad everybody got to see a little bit of the Peach Festival. Watching that, commenting on that, I greatly appreciate it. But I'm gonna get right to business because it's hot, and I feel like a piece of saltwater taffy. So if you look right here, it looks like a war zone. But look, bam! Boys and girls, just look at that right there. Just look at that right there. That right there is prettier than a brand new set of snowshoes. All right, so got the wheelwood brake thing set up. Took my Truler's tape, got this over here. I just got these mocked up. I'm going to go to Viking Hoses and get a stainless 90 here, and probably going to get them to make me a hard line to go into here, so I can use this kit. Come with this hose here. So this goes on the master's, or this goes on the clutch slave cylinder, and then this screws into that. But I don't want it. I don't know how I'm going to do it right yet. I'm trying to clean it up as good as possible. So these are Tech screws. So I just screwed those in there to hold the plate in the inside. That's the way it is from factory, but I'm going to take these back out, and I'm going to put button heads this way. Same thing with these. This is the clutch master. This is a clutch reservoir. Do that. Got the shifter in, or excuse me, got the steering column in, got the D-rod in, got it cut, got the new rag joint in. Pulled the oil pan off to fix the studs. Right here, studs was broke. Here's the oil pan. It has a right there. And let me tell you something. The windage tray on the bottom of that oil galley, I caught the end of my finger when I was getting one of them studs out. And I'm going to tell you right now, from the end right there all the way across like a smiley face, it cut it all the way down and folded it over like a taco. But what happened? But let me tell you, didn't go to no emergency room, didn't do none of that. Went in the house, rinsed it out, put a little bit of salt in it, rinsed it out a little bit more, put a little daggone super glue in there, pulled that bad boy tight, and put some on her. And I'm telling you what, it bled like a stuck pig. All right, now, yeah, not running no daggone zip ties. So the piece here that goes here, I do not have that, so I got that ordered. Got a steering wheel ordered. Look at that shifter, boys and girls. There's a transmission. See, I opted and cut the floor and put a four-wheel drive tunnel so I could access all this. Here's the cable or the hose for the hydraulic clutch and then what it does is it actually, if I can show you, boys and girls, it actually screws in. You know what? I got another pedal. I'll just show you what it looks like. Let me show you. Be better if I just show you what's under there. All right, so if you guys don't know Under Dash Hydraulics, they make swing pedals for everything. Okay, so basically this is for square body, but basically what that is in there is the same thing. So you unbolt the stock pedal, you put all this in, it comes with all the hardware. Here's the slave cylinder. This one right here screws into that reservoir. This is the stainless line that screws into it. And then here is the line from the clutch goes here, and then the bleeder screw, the bleeder hose Johnny boy, that sun gun's fired up like a dish rag, ain't he? So then you have the bleeder hose. It's right there, and of course it will not be on the thing. So once I get this bracket here, then I can take these zip ties off. Let me see if I can get down here and show you what I got going on. So got that ring. So those little screws, I'll take them out and put bolts in it. Here is the plug for the steering column. This is a stock replacement OEM column for a 68 C10. Also, here's the rear stuff. There's the fuel cell. Nutted and bolted everything. Missing a couple of things. Going to go through there. Going to had to relocate the battery down, so I have to weld the bracket on, do that. Here's the fuel system. There's the Holley fuel system right there, and the return. That's the return. It goes back to the tank. Got all the clips for the brake lines. Have to get a Mercy brake pedal. Y'all hear them little birds? Y'all hear them baby birds? I have to get a pedal. I have to get a spring so I can bring that down here. I got to order a gas pedal and fly-by-wire or fly-by-cable because he wanted to go cable instead of wire. So I had to get that, and then it will come out here and go through here and grab this 105 millimeter there. I have a air conditioner compressor, rear mount or rear hoses. Y'all hear that? No, let me show you what y'all hear. Y'all see that? That's in birds. They in my lift. So here's the old gasket, the Felpro gasket. I'm not reusing that, so I replaced it. Got a new one. This is the kit that came. I didn't like how this was. This just off of the and that other 70, that truck down there, it doesn't have a brake booster. Also, when he ordered it with on this side, so I've reordered this bracket kit to put this on this side, so can run the brake lines down. I don't particular. I mean, I don't know. I don't know. What y'all think? Y'all think it's all right there? I don't know if it's all right. The one, let me walk down here and I'll show you the one on this 70. The one on the 70 is on the right side. Phew. It's on the right side. See how this one is? See, it's on the right side and it runs down like that. But the headers are a little bit different and stuff's a little different. So see how on this one, hard lined it down and went in like that. So probably just going to order the kit. Kit's like $68. They put it on the other side. Right here it is. So he ordered it with this one right here, the 15047. We need it on the left side as sitting in the cart truck. So this is the kit. So I'm probably just gonna order this tonight and just move it over. Just move this all over on this side here and then run the brake lines down and go like that. It's probably what I'm gonna do. Like I say, got this in, got to put the bolt in there and whatnot. But just using that seat for mock-up because he's ordered all TMI stuff, bench seats, all that good stuff. So basically, what I'm going to do is, let me turn this thing around. So basically, I'm going to put the engine harness in, which is a Terminator X Holley system. Put that in. Once I get all that in, I'd like to be able to get power, see if it's where it's at, fire it up, listen to it run, and then shut it off, and then set the air conditioner there's a lot of moving parts. But I'm happy that it's getting where it's at. And once all that's done, then I can finalize the body work on the cab, the door, and then put the inner fenders in. I got some stuff I got to clean up on the firewall, put the inner fenders in, put the core support back in it, and then go from there. But been on here for 11 minutes. I don't want to take up too much of your time. And also the new wheels for the back, they should be here in a couple weeks. That'd be great. And then the tires are right here, 315 3520s. So super excited about that. Oh yeah, and got to order the new Benzel because he's got all Dakota Digital gauges. I appreciate you. I know it's a lot. It is super hot. I appreciate every one of you. I really do. Hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe, let your friends know. Let me know what you think. Also, got an update on the 61 box truck. The engine shop said they, let me show you this while I'm talking. The engine shop called and said the engine should be ready either this week or next week. So that, tell you, man, moving parts. So here's the wiring harness for the truck itself. 67 to 68 C10, the complete wiring harness. I mean, everything. This is the bracket, the bolt, the fuse block. I mean, this is everything. Everything. Every single thing. And let me get over here right quick. Yeah, I got a mess. There's the rear end for the 61 box truck. Let me get over here right quick and I'll show you. There's the engine harness for the engine, and which is this right here, which is Holley system. And then there's the Dakota Digital gauges. Remember I said, boys and girls, I appreciate every single one of you. It's hot. Old J Dog fixing to go wash off. I feel like a piece of saltwater taffy. And here's something. I thought you said you was leaving, Jay. I am. But last little thing. So check this out. So these books, LMC sends me, I bet I get books every week. But here's the good thing about these books. So they're good reference points. See, look at that. Right there. So if you don't know how anything goes together, look, rag joint, shit. I mean, this is the whole thing all the way up to the steering wheel. I am really, 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 really hoping that he will let me put an original 68 C10 steering wheel in this truck. And then there's the column bracket on the outside, which is that bracket right there. So I really hope he lets me put a 14-inch. No, I think it's, what is it? 15-inch. I really hope he lets me put a 15-inch nostalgic 68 C10 steering column in this truck. I'm not real big on them billet steering wheels. I'm just not. So I appreciate you. Let me know what you think. What a time to be alive. Remember I said, boys and girls, don't worry about the man up the road or down the road. Sweep off your own front porch while sweeping off anybody else's. Put God first, let loose and drag. Peace, love, and chicken grace. I'm out.